Alright, I'm going to do a little review on this tool I got from H&L. They sent me this to test, see if I liked it. This is a pin caddy. It has the numbers B23HL on there. But anyway, it holds pins for you, for that way you don't lose your pins. They're kind of cold right now, so they're stiff. This tool is made in the USA, made in Oklahoma actually. Ford steel, good product I think. I don't know, looks like it is anyway. It also came with a smaller insert that you can use for some of the I think the mini excavators might use a smaller pin tool, but you can insert this in you insert that in there. It might need a little bit of oil on it. It's got an O-ring, fits in there. You can use that to drive out some of the other types of pins. That comes with it. So you got two different styles of pins you can use this for. Pretty good if you got two different machines. We could probably leave those in there, but what I'm going to do is change these out. Put these are some teeth a guy built for me, Mr. Tim. We're going to put those on. I think there's a little frost maybe in there. I don't know. That's pretty tight. Come out. That's how it works. You have to pull the pins, push the pins out. And now I'm going to figure out. I'm going to go ahead and use some of these new pins. Now the outside one, you can drive in from that way, but I'm going to show you how this works. Set the pin in that part of the tool there, and get it set, and then there's a little hammer. Flat part. And I don't know that it matters which way that goes. This tool works pretty good, I think. Some buckets it's hard to get your tool down between the teeth. But it still beats the heck out of a piece of rebar or a piece of all thread. These have a back and a front. I guess this is the front, that's the back. And we're going to need one more. A little too far. Anyway, that's called the Pin Caddy from H&L. I like it because it seems really solid. Little ring to it, but when you buy this, it comes with the pins, 5 of them, of course. But I like it because of the way they widened out the hammer points where you hit them with a hammer when you're putting the. Like when you're taking the old one out, you hit here, and when you're putting a new one in, you're hitting here, but this is flared out to give your hammer more surface to hit. I don't know, we'll see. Time will tell, but I think it's a Pretty nice tool. Anyway, makes the Series 23 teeth a lot easier to change. Anyhow, we're gonna go digging tomorrow, I hope.